So I worked outside today, and the snow was coming down. Yeah. Look at this. No, hold on. This is ridiculous. So yeah, I had work, and like, it was just crazy. Like, there was a band, like a car band, like after 4 o'clock where people shouldn't be on the road. And what do? They just come and drive in there and I need my bread. I can't go 2 days without my bread because I gotta make some sandwiches and some eggs. You know, what if you had a power outage and everything just got spoiled? Like, you ever think of that? No, people don't think. Right, Blossom? Right? Right? People don't think? Right. People don't think. It's not like you're gonna go hungry and die. Like, come on, you know? Ugh. Make me angry. But, I don't know, you know, hopefully it'll clear up. And, we'll see if it does. Hopefully. Because I really don't want to be stuck inside my house. But I'll probably go outside anyways and make a snowman. And then, probably drive a car into it. Or just go outside naked. Because, for some reason, I talk about that a lot. I don't know. But yeah, I think it was like a $500 fine if you got caught, like, you know, driving around. So, you know, is that really worth it? Is that worth it, getting your milk and your bread and your eggs? Seriously? Cock. You know, then I see people like swerving there and they're like, yeah, this is so much fun, man. And then I'm like, you know what? Yeah, it's fun. It's fun when you break your leg from crashing, or then you have to like pay because you hit someone's bumper, you idiot. Bunch of cocks. Like, that shit was coming down. Like, down. You know? Sometimes I just want to take a unicorn and just drive it into the sky and make a shit on everybody. And hopefully they'll learn their lesson. Comment, like, and subscribe.